Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing for you my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May, as well as giving away one of these items to one of you. Don't even know which one yet. Don't remember what I'm getting. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Sydney Grace Sweet Indulgence palette. I love the Sydney Grace formulas. They're one of my favorites, as well as another brand that I've got on my eyes, as well as a couple others. I got a couple of favorite brands. But you guys, these eyeshadows are amazing. Absolutely love it. I have a brand new one of these to give away to one of you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one, as well as some others in there too. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you do me a favor, hit the bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Juvia's Place Culture Palette. It is so fun, especially for the summer. Love, love, love it. So the Ipsy Glam bag's $13. It comes with a makeup bag, and there's usually sample sizes, deluxe sizes. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size, and it's, yeah, $13. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking that out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. That code is just there for your convenience. It helps you save a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do, and their add-ons are pretty good, you guys. If you do use that code, I thank you. Let's dive in, find out what's in here. Super cute bag. I have a top that really matches this bag. So the top I have on, but I have another top that really matches this. Let yourself bloom. Bring on brighter days and warmer weather. There's a new season on the horizon. To get outside, feel the sun on your skin, but don't forget the SPF and allow yourself to bloom into your full potential. It looks like this on the inside. And then it has a little tag with the Ipsy embossed on it. From Ciate London is a Velvet Skin Cream Blush in Fancy. This is a deluxe size sample. Give your cheeks a sun-kissed berry glow that's just in time for spring. This creamy blush is not only buildable and blendable, but also has good-for-you ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid and brightening vitamin C. So it kind of looks like that. It would be great for travel size. From Glow Recipe is a Strawberry Smooth BHA plus AHA Salicylic Serum. This is a deluxe size sample, red and bumpy skin. Like a strawberry, help smooth your skin with this strawberry powered clarifying serum. It helps to gently smooth your unwanted texture, decongest pores, and soothe your stressed out skin with salicylic acid and mandelic acids. I really don't have acne prone skin, so I think this one's either going to be in today's giveaway or a future one. From Coors is a Santanini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. This is a deluxe size sample. It is a day face oil. And give dull, dry skin, I have dry skin, a pick-me-up with a lightweight serum that serves up heavy-duty hydration. The multitasker helps blur imperfections, smooth textures, and nourishes skin thanks to the all-star ingredient, the Santanini grape, which is rich in vitamins and minerals. Pretty cool. From Paranova is a Luna Lip Style in Asteroid. It says full size, does retail for $18. It is sealed, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet, so I don't want to unseal it. I can show pictures of it in here. It is a lip liner. If you want to level up your lip game, this Rosy Nude lip liner is a no-brainer. The no smudge formula helps create a perfect canvas for whatever your lippy to use on top or even just have under your lip balm. And from UVE Beauty is a Violet Antimicrobial Blender. It does retail for $20. It is full size makeup sponge. This bouncy blender is made with super plush antibacterial foam that makes applying cream, liquid, and powder makeup without streaks so easy. I really need to wash my other makeup sponges that I have because I'm sure they're not microbial. It's really, really pretty. Purple shade. Secret word of the day is Ipsy. So I thought it was an okay bag. It was better than my ex, or it was better than my icon, that's for sure. Let's do giveaway that glow recipe. Just, I don't know the type of skin that it's for. And instead of sitting here or gathering dust, I'd much rather give it away to one of you guys. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it the secret word, and also make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel. Now you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do the bonus entries if you actually did do them, because I do check and you don't want to be disqualified. So your 4 ways to get bonus entries are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That's BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. That's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share the video. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it when you guys share it with your family and friends on your socials, all that sort of stuff. It really means the world to me when you guys do that, and I just want to have a way to give back and say thank you. So that's why I have that extra bonus entry for those of you guys who choose to do that. You can choose to do all of them. You can choose to do 1, 2, whatever. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now let's have this giveaway go through June 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on June 7th, what I will do is I'll take from all the forms, if everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing, and on the bonus entries, if everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing, put those into the computer. I take the first name, first initial, the last name, spin that all around. The computer spins it all around. We all see the computer spin it all around, and the computer picks the winner, so don't ask to win. As soon as the giveaway is over and I mail out the prizes to the winners, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't sell that information. I don't create distribution lists with it. Nobody has access to it but me. It's just a easier way for me to mail out the products to all the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. Let me know what you guys are doing for this Memorial Day weekend. I am headed up to my family's cabin to go and kind of open it up for the summer, kind of do like the maintenance stuff that needs to be done, all that sort of fun jazz, but needs to get done so you can enjoy it the rest of the summer. So that's what I'm doing, and let me know what you guys are doing in the comments down below. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and have a beautiful rest of your day. I will see you soon, you guys. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!